Alright guys, so today we got a very cool antique. This is a GT710 and we'll see how much it holds up to modern day games and modern day computers. So roll the intro. So this is a modest build, it's got a dual core processor and we're just pushing in the GT710 inside. So here we go. That was the worst version of GT710 that you saw. It was 2GB DDR3. So here are here are what I think about the card. First of all, the DDR3 and 2GB does not actually make sense for a video card. If they could have built a 1.5GB, that would have been better. Second thing, DDR3 video card in 2020 is actually not a thing. When you got DDR6X cards coming up in 2020, where's DDR3? And third thing, 2GB is actually very low for 2020 gaming. You could actually get no game launched with 2GB of graphics memory. So the GT710 is not for 2020. Definitely not for 2020. It matters less if you're playing 2010 games in 2020, but if you want to play 2020 games, they're not for it. The MSI benchmark technology get a score of 104 with a 2 FPS in average. So GT710 is not for now. It's days gone. That's it. Get it? So you should not get a GT710. With that said, I'm Marco. This is Cyber TikTok and also